So today we are going to discuss the if problem of AtCoder beginner contest 230. It is swap and sort. So we are given a permutation. We have to sort the permutation, but we can make these swaps. And there are im swaps given, like we can swap AI with BI. Only these swaps are allowed. No other swaps are allowed. So we have to find minimum number of no, I don't think minimum number of. So we have to find if it is possible to like sort the array with the given swap operation, and we have to print the operations by which the array becomes sorted. Okay, so let us take one example. Let us take the first example. Okay, so the array is given, the permutation is given like that. We can swap the first element with fifth, fifth with sixth, first with second, or second with third. Like we have to now sort the array. So let us take the example and check. So this is the example. Now this type of sorting is allowed. So I think these are bidirectional edges. So we can swap 1 to 5 or 5 to 6, or I think I should just remove it and write again. So 1 to 5 is allowed, 1 to 5 is allowed, 5 to 6 is allowed, 1 to 2 is allowed, and 2 to 3 is allowed. Now now let us check if we can swap any two elements of this array, of this permutation. Like only swap any two element of this group. Let us check. Let us check how we can swap 1 with 6. Okay, so first we can swap 1 with 5, then 5 with 6. So what will become? It will become 5, then it will become 6, and it will become 1. Then we have to swap these two again. So now it will become 6, it will become 5, and it will become 1. So finally the 1 and 6 are sorted, and other elements are like are not affected by this swapping. So by this way we can swap any two elements, like so what is the exact operation by which we can swap any two elements? Let us figure out. So first we have to run one kind of BFS from any element. Like we want to swap 3 with 6, so we will run one BFS from 3 to 6. So we will first swap 3 to 2, then we will swap 2 to 1, then we will swap 1 with 5, then we will swap 5 with 6. So our new array will become like this. So 3 is swapped with 2, 2 is swapped with 1, 1 is swapped with 5, 5 is swapped with 6, and 6 is swapped with 3. Okay, so now this element, the this 3 element is at 6 position, but the 6 element is not in 3 position. For that we have to like just do the reverse operation from 5. If we do reverse operation from 5, it will become like 5 to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3. Now it will become like 5 3 will become unaffected, 5 and 6 are swapped, so this will become 5, 1 and 5 are swapped, so this will become I think 1, 2 and 1 are swapped, so it will become 2, and this will become 6. So we can find out that we can swap any two elements of this group without affecting other elements. Okay, so now we have to figure out that which elements is need to be swapped. Okay, for this permutation, which elements are need to be swapped? If they are in same group, then we can just swap them with this operation. Else the answer will be -1. So for finding which elements need to be swapped, we can do one kind of selection sort algorithm. We obviously know that selection sort in optimal take n-1 swap at max. So n-1 swaps will be required at max. So for n-1 swap, if a group contains n elements and the two leaves are getting swapped, so the number of operation will be number of edges n-1 plus n-2. So I think it is 2 n-3. So maximum number of operations will be, I think, required will be something I think 2 into first it will be 2 into I think product of, I think, summation of, first it will be n minus 1 and minus 2. Then I think, I don't exactly know what is the exact number of operations required. I think that is less than n into n minus 1 by 2. I guarantee you that that is less than n into n minus 1 by 2. You can do that calculation. For first swap, the 2n minus 3 number of operations is required. For second swap, I think max 2n minus 5 will required, or 2n minus 5 or 2n minus 7 something will require. So so we can sort the things. So now I will show you my code. Just crop it. Now I will show you my code. So here I have just put the number, the needs for swaps, like here, I think here, once again, here the which operations are needed, which swap operations are needed. Here I think 5 should be swapped with 1, like this. We will do one selection sort kind of thing to find out which swap operations are needed, which that will be put in one need. So here I and j should be swapped. After getting need, we'll build one array which is swap x and swap y. I think this is kind of graph which we have built here, and this graph is denoted by swaps in my code. Okay, after building the graph, it is necessary for counting the which edge, the edge number of x comma y or y comma x, because it is bidirectional edge. Then we will run a bfs for every value, for every pair in need we will run a bfs. I have told you that we will just traverse from I to j. We'll traverse from this to this, this to this. We'll traverse from this to this, and then from this to this. Okay, uh, so we'll like first element of our array will be q will be I. Then when we get to j, we will break this loop. Then we will put all the edge value here. After that, putting all the values of z here, let's say our edge sequence for this operation, our edge sequence for the first operation, this operation is like 1 2 3 4 5. Then our edge sequence for this operation will be like the edge sequence for this operation will be, I think 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be 4 3 2 1. So we have to put this operation 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1 in the answer. Okay, so I have put from r dot size minus 1 to greater than equal to 0, and I have put in an answer. Then I will from the first element, I have put in reverse order here. Then I have put from first element, like we are neglecting zeroth element here, as I have told you that we are neglecting this 5. Okay, so in the array I have put it in this order: 5 4 3 2 1, and then 4 3 2 1, like that. 3, I think 1 2 3 4, like that. After that, if flag, so if we don't get to j, our flag will be equals to 1 here. Flag equals to 1, break. If we don't get to j, if we don't get to j, our flag will be 1. Then the answer will be minus 1, else our answer will be length of answer. I think you have understood my code. If you have understood my code, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.